control all the lights in this villa except for the exterior. And here you have your air conditioner, which is really handy because sometimes it's really hot in Maldives. You got your own closet with a cute bed that you can take it to your country. It's a gift from us. And a locker so all of your goodies are safe. You can also come here, write whatever you want, and if you need help from the hotel, you have here the phone. This right here has some things you might need for the mini bar that it's right next to us, like coffee, tea, and don't worry about the water because the water is on us. You have here the coffee machine, the thing for you to heat your water so you can drink a nice tea maybe at night to relax, and you got several bottles of water just for you. You don't have to worry about it. It's complimentary. So these towels, they come really handy for you to use here at your balcony. Like you go to the sea to snorkel, to see some fish, because yes, you will see lots of fish right here on your villa. Or maybe you just want to swim a little bit on your pool. These towels are very nice for you to use outside. So let's see the outside I'm talking about. If you don't swim, this is a safe pool for you. We have also these lovely chairs for you just to lay down and enjoy the sun, relax with this view. If you want to eat something or maybe drink or even write or read, this is your spot. Just sit, put here your book, put here your pen, put here your food, your drinks, and enjoy this amazing view. It's just so relaxing to wake up at this. I can't even have the words for it. You see right there? That's your personal way to the sea. And you will come salty out of the sea, so this you can use to rinse your body from salt. Let's see your other relaxing zone. The bathroom is in these lovely tones, so you always feel like you're in a peaceful, safe place, just enjoying your vacations. You have these robes for you to wear. You have shampoo, shower gel, hair conditioner, and even lotion here. So they got you covered. You don't have to worry about it. And of course some soap. You have the glasses for you to wash your teeth. They have everything. If you want the team to change your towels, you only have to put them in that little basket. That's like a laundry basket. So imagine this robe has to be changed. That towel has to be changed. The exterior towel has to be changed. You just put it in the laundry basket. And I guess we finished at this lovely huge bed with the view to the ocean. It's just so amazing and so lucky of you if you experience the waking up to this view.